What are we willing to sacrifice for an exceptional view? How can a couple comfortably live in a 20 square meter studio apartment? Can built-in furniture make a space work better, or does it just limit the possibilities? Welcome to ReApt Design, where we transform outdated spaces into modern and functional living solutions. The apartment we are redesigning today is a 20 square meter studio apartment located in the attic of a traditional timber frame house. The apartment was bought for the uninterrupted view of the lake, despite its small size and some of the other shortcomings of the apartment. Before the transformation, it was equipped with a very basic kitchen that wasn't really fully thought out. The kitchen consisted of a sink, an oven, and a fridge. The main living space, where the kitchen is also located, is separated by a protruding bathroom, which is a decent size for such a small apartment and consists of a shower, a toilet, and a sink. In this case, it was also fairly difficult to imagine how the previous owner had the place furnished. Here we see the plans of the existing situation. It's all one open space that doesn't really have any hierarchy and feels difficult to organize. The fact that we have two windows opening in different directions is a real advantage and fairly rare in such a small apartment. The internal walls can be demolished, but the plumbing is entering the apartment through the wall where the bathroom and the kitchen were previously located, so these functions should be kept near their original locations. The bathroom was slightly moved, but it was otherwise kept the same size. The kitchen was moved so that we could turn the space where it was previously located into a separate bedroom that can be separated from the rest of the space with a sliding door. The kitchen is slightly larger, but more significantly, it's really better thought out. The main living space and the entrance area is equipped with a storage wall, which has cupboards in the entryway, a full-height fridge, and a pantry near the kitchen, and eventually turns into a built-in couch connected to the main living space. As the space is so small, the owners wanted to make sure that there is enough division between the functions, so we divided the main living space into 3 areas that can be separated with sliding doors when necessary: the bedroom, the kitchen living room, and the entrance. Now, when we enter the apartment after the transformation, we still have the openness from before and are greeted by the same beautiful view. The mirrored closets at the entrance make the entrance area feel more open and light. The bathroom layout was largely kept the same, though we did add some storage and a towel rack near the shower. There was very little that could be done differently overall, as the layout itself was very practical already. The sliding door between the entrance and the main living space helps provide additional privacy when using the bathroom without reducing the openness of the space. The storage wall continues into the main living space and turns into a built-in reading nook with a couch, storage, and built-in overhead lighting. The back of the nook is made of acoustic panels to make the space feel more comfortable. The acoustic panels and the cushions are all covered in the same fabric to make the space feel more unified. Under the couch, there is also additional storage. The color of the fabric is coordinated with the color of the kitchen to further unify the small space. This space is actually so small that we took inspiration from boat building for many of the built-in elements to maximize their impact without increasing the size any more than necessary. On the edge of the kitchen, we see custom shelving used to open up the corner of the cabinets, making the flow from the entrance into the kitchen smoother while also providing additional storage. The kitchen has all that is necessary, and there is even space for a small dishwasher if the owners wanted one. The backsplash is mirrored to maximize the light into the space and to make it feel like the small kitchen extends further. The living space has a small desk against the window for working from home or so the couple can eat meals together. The desk can be opened up to seat up to 4 people when hosting. Such a small space offers very limited possibilities for hosting, but it was important for the owners to have the option to do so. Finally, the bedroom offers a real place to sleep separately from the other functions thanks to the new sliding door. The bedroom is equipped with a queen-sized bed, built-in closets, has its own window and a large mirror to help expand the space. So now that you've seen the transformation, would you be willing to sacrifice size for that view? Could you live in such a small place? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this kind of content and want to be among the first to hear of a new video being published, please subscribe. And don't hesitate to reach out if you have a living space in need of a transformation. We'd love to take a look and see if we can help you. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.